This is the brief on setting up sponsored accounts. Getting non-faculty users online really just requires following a strict step-by-step sequence to ensure their accounts are fully activated and licensed properly. First, you've got to identify the account type by its prefix. So unlike your typical faculty accounts that just start with an F, sponsored accounts start with letters like C or I for interns and student teachers sponsored by the school's ETC. You might also see SRO, which are accounts created specifically by the school's safety tech department. Second, you have to complete that mandatory security setup. Before an account is fully activated, the user absolutely must set up two-factor authentication, specifically using Duo. It's totally crucial, no way around it. Finally, just wait for the backend licensing to kick in. Right, so once that two-factor authentication is all set up, an Office 365 Education A1 license automatically attaches to the account. But listen, you really need to allow a full 24 hours for this step to process before escalating any issues to the SysAdmin team. Give it some time. Stick to this exact step-by-step sequence, and your sponsored users will be securely online and licensed without prematurely overwhelming your SysAdmin team.